Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Tech. You're speaking with Josh, and I'm going to review today the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think I got this maybe a few weeks ago. Pardon my camera angle. So I'm just gonna unbox it today. I've been a bit crazy, but that's cool. Let's unbox it now. Pardon my camera angle, it's not great. Cool, maybe it's better now. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, it's not cutting. Right, it's just easier that way. Alright, let's unboxing it. Ooh, the sound of removing the plastic. Alright, so that's gone. Interesting how they box it up. Anyhow, this is a good quick release. No, maybe not. Okay. So I guess I will try to cut it up. Ooh. Oh, don't break. Oh, cool. There's a dry. Keep it dry. All right. Let's see. So this Osmo Pocket 3, blah blah blah, CMOS 1 inch, rotating bezel, rotating screen, 3-axis gimbal, active track 6, full pixel focus, 10-bit D-lock, D-lock 10-bit. Not too sure about the technical stuff. So yep, pocket size, cool. What's in the box? The DJI, protective cover, DJI mic, the handle, the battery handle, tripod, Type-C cable, carry bag, DJI mic clip magnet, windscreen, wide angle, and wrist strap. Cool. Alright, let's pull this up. So this is the creator combo. Yeah, but at the end of the video I will explain why this is a better option. So yeah. Cool, anything in there? Nope. A bunch of manuals, start guide, light cut app. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's free, I assume. Manual. Cool. Alright, so this is the pouch. I assume it will come with the DJI thing. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. Not sure why was it designed this way, but that's all good. Oh, so that's the protective case. Oh, nothing else. Okay. Alright. So I shall put it back here. And let's open this up. Or just open this protective case. Cool. More manual. Ooh, nice. Almost like leathery, rubbery feeling of that protective case. Yeah. Alright, let's see if I can get more light in. Nope, it's too dark. look. Alright, there's more light in. Oh, pardon me. I push you guys the wrong way. Sorry, my camera's moving back and forth. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, more manual Osmo Pocket protective case suitable for daily storage. You can store your mic on top. Assume it's this one. And the lens here and here. I don't think it comes with black chromas, but anyway. Cool, thank you DJI. Alright, I'll put this one back into the box. Alright, let's open up the real deal now. Okie dokie. Feels fancy pantsy. Alright, I'll keep this one in the box. Alright, should I cut off the tag? Alright, it's also a bunch of manual. Alright, time to cut the tag. Cut. Alright, drum roll. Let's see. How do I... That's an interesting way of the pouch. So open from the bottom. Ping, ping. Okay, alright. Alright, so this is the DJI Osmo. Alright, put it delicately. What are the goodies in there? I think this is the battery pack. Alright, I think this is the battery pack. When mounting, insert the battery pack grip. Blah blah blah. Okay. Handle into Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button when detecting. Okay, not sure what. Anyway, that's cool. Thank you for the information, DJI. Alright. And next is the microphone. Wow, it's pretty cool. First time ever having DJI mic. It's pretty choice. What else? Oh, okay, so this is the mic, this is the battery. Okay, alright. I will assume this is just the handle that you connect at the bottom here. Oops, sorry, I'll just put it on the bottom, just the bottom there. Anyway, I'll put it in the box, put the things away. What else? Okay, the wind muff and the windscreen, sorry, and the wrist thing. Alright, let's see if it fits. Wow, it's a bit okay, tight, but so good. That's a pretty cool wind muff or windscreen, they call it. So I will assume I put it in here. Ooh, cool. What else? Alright, the gel silica, cool. I'll put one in there. Ooh, pretty fancy. This must be the wide angle lens. Alright. Angle lens. Having troubles opening it. Okay. Thick finger, seal. Alright, that's it. Oh shoot, I touched the inside. Hopefully there's no fingerprint. Okay, alright, let's put it in. Yeah, is that right? Ooh, the magnet just Hope you can see it. Magnet just stick on it. Sorry, it's not very great. Just stick on it. Oh, nice. Nice. USB-C to USB-C. Typical. Any more goodies? Oh, okay. Right, this is the magnet for. Let me open it up. This is the magnet for the mic. Cool. This is the magnet for the mic. Is that the one you stick like this? Ooh, oh dang! It's pretty strong. Ooh. Wow, it's hard to take it out. Good on you, DJI. There's the magnet. Alright, I'll put it there. It's quite a... That must be the mini tripod. Alright, let me put this away. Oops, a lot of plastic flying in and out. Pardon my unboxing. Actually, I'll keep this one for the magnet. The rest can go into the box. Not too worried about the manual. I'll put it back into the box, the manual. Alright, so that is the DJI. Maybe I'll just put sorry, it's a pretty, it's dark color and dark color, so let's try this. Maybe you can see it better. It's my workbook that I'm gonna do shortly. So yeah, so this is the protective cover, and if you see the magnet, you can just stick in there. It's magnetized. Should I do face down or doesn't matter? Oh no, you have to, because it doesn't work. Okay, alright, cool. And the DJI Osmo, the holder, the additional battery pack, the DJI mic 2 with the wind screen or muff, I call it, the magnet, the mini tripod. Okay, nothing very special. Nice quality. The wrist wrap, and lastly the pouch and the USB-C to C. Alright, so that's us for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to support us, and I'll catch you another time. Peace.